Hey there, programmers! Having a tough time learning a new programming language? Don't worry, I'm going to share some awesome tips to help you learn faster. Ready? Let's go! Tip number 1. Start with the basics. It's easy to want to jump into the hard stuff. But trust me, it's really important to start with the simple things. Learn the rules of the language, understand different types of information, and get comfortable with how to control what the code does. It's like building a house. You need a strong foundation first. Next up, practice, practice, practice. Coding is like learning to ride a bike. The more you do it, the better you get. Make time every day to code. Work on small projects, try solving coding puzzles, or help out with open source projects. Doing it regularly is key. Tip 3. Learn by doing. Reading books and watching tutorials are helpful, but actually using what you learn is even better. Build real projects that you're interested in. It could be a website for yourself, a game, or an app for your phone. Getting real experience is super important. Here's a big one. Join a community. Whether it's online groups, local meetings, or coding classes, being around other programmers can really help you learn. You'll get help, feedback, and new ideas. Now, use multiple resources. Don't just use one book or tutorial. Try different authors, courses, and websites. This helps you understand things better and fills in any gaps that one resource might miss. Finally, teach what you learn. Explaining things to others helps you understand them better yourself. Start a blog, make YouTube tutorials, or help another programmer. Teaching really makes your knowledge stronger, so there you have it. Follow these tips, stay curious, and you'll be learning new programming languages quickly. Happy coding! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips. See you later.